This is clearly not our paint booth. I want to start this video off with a full update for you guys so you know what's been going on with Dip Your Car and our channel over the last 6 months ago. Now, a lot of you guys know that Dip Your Car moved from our old facility to a brand new facility back in June. And most of the company, the office, the warehouse, everything moved and got back up and running very quickly, but the paint booth was left behind. Now, you may know that moving a paint booth and doing it correctly, there's a lot of permits involved in getting that paint booth taken down, and there's even more permits involved in getting the paint booth put back up in its new place. Now, the plan was to get all that done and get the paint booth back up and running in the new facility by mid-September, and we are way behind schedule. So, for a while, you notice we haven't been able to spray full cars because we've been able to access the booth but not get a full vehicle into it. At this point, the booth is starting to come down, so we can't even use that anymore. So we are in a corner of our warehouse where we set up a little studio where we can try to do these small scale experiments and testing until the booth is fully back up and running and we can get back to schedule. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been incredible watching these small scale videos, giving us feedback, making comments. We appreciate that so much because even though this isn't the content that you guys may want to watch all the time, and this isn't the type of content that we want to be making all the time, it's the best that we can do, so we appreciate you very much. So Gabe's here with me. We've got an awesome experiment to do with you guys today. We've got some brand new pigments, but again, just hang in there with us. We're going to make the best of it for another couple weeks or so, potentially a little bit longer, but once we get that booth back up and running, full steam ahead. So let me show you what we're working on today. We got sent 3 brand new pearls. We've never tried them, we've never seen them, and we're going to spray them out for you today. So this one is walnut. This one is called Super Sparkle. I promise that's the name, and I have no idea what it is, but we've got to test it out. And this one is called Gray Violet. I've never heard of a gray violet before, but we've got to try that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more time and a little bit more effort. If we're going to be stuck to the small scale stuff, we're going to do the best job we can at it. So we're going to spray each one of these 3 colors in both our Dip Your Car peelable paints and our Luna permanent paint, so you can see both ways. Now, I'm excited to see what all 3 of these colors look like. Do you have one that's really caught your eye?
Yeah, that steel one, right?
The gray violet.
Gray violet.
All right, we've got a lot of work ahead of us. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment. And again, we're gonna show you these pearls in both Satin Next Gen Top Coat and our Luna Permanent Paint, because we wanna show you the most popular finish for both the peelable side and the permanent side. But if you ever want your peelable paint to look just like permanent paint, you just top it with ultra high gloss. That clear coat will make it look just about the same. Now, again, this is our first project with our new format in the new studio space. And we're gonna be doing this for a little while. So I just wanna say thank you so much again. Every one of you guys who watch these videos, no matter what we're doing, it means the world to us. So every comment, every piece of feedback, every suggestion, we really take it to heart. Thank you again for sticking with us. And before you know it, the booth will be back up and we'll be back to our full-scale projects. Now, if you want to spray any of our peelable paint or permanent paint, you want to change the color of your wheels or your car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Everything is there for you in one place. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.